Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and the preparation for Elastic Certified Engineer exam, and today with a new topic. We will start with cluster management, and we will see today how we diagnose shard issues and repair the cluster health. So here in today's topic, we will discover together the shards and the cluster health. Then we will see a few ways on how we will fix this issue. Before we jump, I would like to talk about the cluster health. So the cluster health in Elastic, we have three let's say colors or three status. We have green, which is healthy and everything is good. We have yellow, mean some of the replicas are unassigned or we are missing some replicas. And we have the red. Red is critical issue, and the cluster will not be working properly. And in the red status, some primary shards are unassigned or are missing. Let's jump to the documentation. So what is shard exactly? We know the indices in Elastic. So each index in Elastic contain at least one shard. And the shard have two types. We have the primary shard, we have the replica. And the replica, it's a copy of the primary shard. By default, when you create an index and you did not specify the number of the shard or the replica in the settings, or if you are using the data stream, using Elastic agent or one of the bits to send the logs, the default value is one primary shard, one replica. And also by default, Elastic ensure that the replica is not in the same node. Let's imagine, for instance, we have two nodes or three nodes, three Elasticsearch nodes, and we have one primary shard and one replica. So Elastic by default, we have shard allocation awareness. The replica, the copy of the primary shard, is not in the same node. In this case, or like this, if we for a reason or another we miss this node, or this node is disconnected from the cluster, we are sure that we have replica of the primary shard is in another node, right? So let's jump to our lab environment, and let's go with the stack management first. So if we come here to the indices, right, as you can see here, we have two indices, and as you can see here, the health is yellow, right? Why? We said like the yellow health status or the color here is we are missing one of the replica. We will see in a second like the explanation, but to get the explanation, or like for our environment, I have just one node, and here, as we can see, we have one primary shard and one replica. The primary shard is in this node, and the Elastic is trying to put the replica in another node, but we have only one node, so it didn't find where to put the second or the replica. That's why we see the yellow. If we go to the DevTools, right, and we do, let me just remove this one. So if we do get, and if we search our cluster health, and here if you run, here you're gonna see the status. So it's yellow. Now again, we know the difference between red and the green and the yellow. Now in here we can see, okay, we have three unassigned shards, right? Now if we want to list the unassigned shards, right, I want to see this unassigned. I know here I have three unassigned shards, but I want to get the list of this unassigned shard. Who is making this problem, right? So the same, we will go with get, with cut, and here I will go with the shards, right? So here, if I run the shards, it will give us all one second, all the shards, right? Here you see the index. Here you see the P, it's a primary. Here if you see R, it's a replica. And here you have some other informations where it's stored, and so on and so forth. If you see here, we have we have some here, as you can see, we see the started mean it's okay. We have some other values, as you can see here, unassigned, right? Here unassigned mean Elasticsearch did not find another node to put this replica for a reason or another. Like in our case, it's we don't have a node, but imagine you have other nodes, but all the other nodes are full, right? Like the disk usage is high, it's 100%. Like, okay, you have other nodes, but you don't have space where to put the replica. That's also would be the same reason, right? So okay, so if we want now to get the explanation, right? Why it's not unassigned? Is it like we don't have a node, or we don't have a disk, or what's the reason? Like why Elasticsearch cannot assign this replica in a node, right? So here also is go or get cluster, and here I will go with allocation, and here with explain. So if you do this, you will get the explanation. Right, so here, for example, is give you the index, right? So here is the index. Here's the current state. It's unassigned, right? And here is some other informations, and here the explanation. Elasticsearch is not allowed to allocate this shard in any node. So here, okay, you know that's what's the reason of this status, right? Now how we fix it? Now we know we get CLO, we get the shards, the unassigned shard, and we say what's the reason. Now what we need to do, right? So here we have two things. So the first one is not recommended. Like I go to the settings and I create a new index, right? And I do, okay, since I have just one node, I just do one primary shard with 0 replica, right? But this is why this is not recommended. If we lose this node, right, we will lose the data, we will lose the index. And there is no way, if you did not take a snapshot for it, like you will not be able to get back the data. So here the recommendation is adding a new node, right? You deploy or you add a new another node to the cluster, and here Elasticsearch will reroute or will allocate the replica in the new node automatically. You don't need to do you don't need to do anything like manually. Now if we want now to do it manually, let's say in the exam they ask you to reroute the shard manually to the other node, right? So here we have this command, like you go post and cluster, and here we have reroute. So this one will give us the permission to move the shard from node 1 to node 2, from node 2 to node 1, node 1 to node 3, and so on and so forth. So here is the syntax. So here is gonna be the comment, right? So and here is gonna be we're gonna move what? We're gonna move, for example, this index. Let me just copy it, right? This is the index, and this is the number of shards. Is it 0 or 1? So since we have one primary shard and one replica, the total is 2, and the ID or the number is 0 and 1, not 1 and 2. It's 0 and 1. And here you want, for example, to move it from node 1, for example, to node 2, right? So in this way you can move it manually, right? Now once you did this, you go and check again the health. You will find it's green, but for sure you have to move all the shards. So if you remember here, we get, or not here, let's here we have 3 shards, mean you have to move all the 3 shards manually. Then you check the status, or You can also check this this comment. So get score cut allocation, and here if you do just Control V, here you will get, let me just move it. So here you will get the details, like here for each node. Here, for example, this node, this is the disk usage, or the disk, the total disk, the availability they used, and some other information that will help you to get an information. And also here the unassigned shards. But again, once you add another node here, you will be able to relocate or to assign this in an assigned shards. Elastic will do it manually. If not the case, you can manually reroute or assign this unassigned shards to the nodes that you add you added recently, right? With that being said, we get to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next one.